Jai Swaminarayan friends. In this video lecture we are continuing about the quadratic equation. We have completed the first method in any equation, quadratic or not. Now we are discussing the second method. Verify whether the given value of x is a solution of the quadratic equation or not. Again repeat the question. Verify whether the given value of x is a solution of the quadratic equation or not. Here we write the three questions 1, 2 and 3. And value x is given also. We are only verifying the value is satisfy the equation or not, right? First we calculate the first one, x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0 at x equal to 2. Here we check this value. Now put x equal to 2 in this equation in left side. LHS is x square minus 3x plus 2. This is our LHS. Now put this value here. X equal to 2. 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. Right? Okay. Now 2 square is 4. 3 2s are 6 and plus 2. Okay? Positive number 4 plus 2 6 and negative 6. 6 cut. So answer will be 0. It is your RHS. Okay. So x equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. X equal to 2 is one of the solution of this quadratic equation. Otherwise x equal to 2 is the one of the root of this quadratic equation. Clear? Okay. Now we discuss second question. Second one. 1 upon 3x plus 1. LHS. 1 upon 3x plus 1 minus 1 upon 2x minus 1 plus 3 by 4. Okay. Now at x equal to 1. So put here x equal to 1. X equal to 1. 1 upon 3 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 3 by 4. Clear? 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 1 by 4. 2 ones are 2 minus 1, 1 plus 3 by 4. Okay? Now rearrange the term 1 by 4, then we write 3 by 4, then we write last term 1 upon 1, that is 1. Now look here, denominator will be same. So direct addition 1 plus 3, 4 upon 4 minus 1. 4 cut. 1 minus 1, answer will be 0. Okay? So answer will be 0, that is your RHS. So here in this question, x equal to 1 is the solution, is the root of this quadratic equation. Okay? Now verify third question. Verify our third question. LHS is LHS 3x minus 8 and 2x plus 5. Okay. Now we have x equal to minus 5 by 2. Put here x equal to 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 3 into minus 5 by 2 minus 8 and 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 5. Okay. Here we simplify only this bracket because look here 2 cancel. Here 3 into minus 5 by 2 minus 8 as it is, and here minus 5 plus 5 got. So here 3 into minus 5 by 2 minus 8 and 0. 0 into any number equal to 0. Clear? So answer will be 0 is on right side. So therefore x equal to minus 5 by 2 is the solution of this quadratic equation. In this three question we are discussing x equal to given value is the solution of this equation or not. If answer is right side, then we talk about the solution of this equation. If answer is not in right side, given not right side, so x equal to value of this equation is not a solution of this quadratic equation. Okay. Now question number here again 1 and 2. Now converse the method. Now converse the method. Which one? Look here question. If x equal to 1 is a root of this quadratic equation. Here in your question, x equal to 1 is the given of this quadratic equation. So we are accepting the right side equal to 0, not LHS equal to RHS. But we are accepting the quadratic equation equal to 0. Our equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Now look here. Here x equal to 1 is the root of this equation. So now put here x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. A 1 square b into 1 plus c equal to 0. Not verify, but here we prove that this question, prove that a plus b plus c equal to 0 if x equal to 1 is the root of this equation. Okay, now 1 square is 1 and 1 into a is a. B into 1, b and c equal to 0. This is your answer. Look here. A plus b plus c equal to 0. Is that clear? Okay, very easy question. This is your first question. Okay. Now second question, find k if one of the root of this equation. We are giving two questions, first and second question, both of them find k. Okay, first we write x square minus kx plus 6. X square minus kx plus 6 equal to 0. Find k if one of the roots of this quadratic equation is 3. Now put x equal to 3. X equal to 3 is already given that equation. Okay, now put x equal to 3. So 3 square minus k into 3 plus 6 equal to 0. 3 square is 9 minus 3k plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Now positive number 9 and 6. Sum of these two numbers is 15. 9 plus 6, 15. Minus 3k equal to 0. Now 3k in the right side. So 15 equal to 3k. 3 division. So k equal to 3 5s are 15. Clear? So k equal to 5. Find k. So answer is k equal to 5. Second question. This is your A. Okay. Now B. Again we find k. But question is this one. X square plus 3 into k plus 2 into x minus 9 equal to 0. Okay. Is minus 3. Now put x equal to minus 3. Minus 3 square plus 3 k plus 2 into minus 3 and minus 9 equal to 0. Look carefully. Simplify. Minus 3 square is 9. Okay. Here k plus 2 as it is. K plus 2 as it is. this one, and this one all are in multiplication form. So 3 3s are 9, but minus 9. So here we write minus 9. Minus 3 square is 9. K plus 2. As it is, we are multiplying by this 3 number. This one. Okay. 3k plus 2 x equal to minus 3. 3 3s are 9, but minus sign. So minus 9 and k plus 2 as it is. Okay. Then here minus 9 equal to 0. Clear? Okay. Minus 9 plus 9 cancel. So remaining term minus 9 into k plus 2 equal to 0. Now minus 9 in multiplication form, in the right side 0 divided by minus 9, answer 0. Therefore k plus 2 equal to 0. Clear? Therefore k equal to minus 2. With the number k equal to minus 2. Is that clear? First three sum we are discussing about this value are solution or root of this quadratic equation or not. And second, next two sum we are given the value x and we have proved that this equation. Is that clear? Okay. Now we discuss the method, factorization method in a quadratic equation chapter. Most important method. This is your first method, factorization method. Here we write the 8 question. One by one discuss about this. First question, x square minus 30x plus 221 equal to 0. In this video lecture, we are discussing about the quadratic equation method number 1, factorization method. Clear? Here our question is x square minus 30x plus 221 equal to 0. We are discussing about the first video lecture in this one. If last term is positive, then sum of these two terms in middle term. Okay? Now first we multiply 221, factorize 221. 221 divide 2, not possible. Divide 3, not possible. 7 3s are 21, then 11, not possible. 9 is not possible, 10 is not, 11 2s are 22, 1 reminder, not possible. 13 1s are 13, 22 minus 13, 9, and 1, 91, 13 7s are. Yeah. So here 13 1s are 13, 9 reminder, 91, 13 7s are 91. Then 17 1s are 17. So only this factor 13 into 17. No other factor. Other factor is this one, 221 1s are. Now we check here. Sum of these two number is 30. 13 plus 17, 30. Is that clear? So we write here x square plus 221 equal to 0 minus 17x and minus 13x. So here minus 17 and minus 30. Minus 17 into minus 30. Minus plus 17 into 13, 221. And sum of these two number is minus 30. Is that clear? Okay, now draw the line under two terms. Now here x common. So x minus 17. Here coefficient of x square is 1. So direct the factor 221 last term. Okay. Now same bracket x minus 17 equal to 0. Now here minus sign. So minus 13x, x in the bracket, 13 outside the bracket. So our 2 factor x minus 17, x minus 13 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 17 equal to 0. x minus 13 equal to 0. So x equal to 13 and x equal to 17. Clear? Here x equal to 17, put this equation, answer is 0. X equal to 13, put this equation in left side, answer is 0. That means x equal to 17 and 13 are the solution, root of this quadratic equation. Clear? Now second question. Okay? 12x square plus 7x minus 12 equal to 0. Now multiply by these two numbers. First 12 12s are 144. Then factorize 144. 144. 144 ones are 72 are 48 threes are 36 fours are, and 5 is not divisible. 6, yeah, 24 6 are, 7 is not divisible. 8 ones are 8, 18 8s are, 8 ones are 8 and 8 8s are 64. Okay, 18 8s are, 9 is not possible. Yeah, possible. 16 9s are. Okay, clear? This is your possible factor. Now check, here last term is negative. Now check the factor. Subtraction of these two numbers is 7 because last term is negative. 144 minus 1 not possible, not possible, not possible, not possible. What? Here what? 7. Okay. 24 minus 6 not possible, not possible. 16 minus 9 7. And here 16 is the bigger number, so we are giving the positive sign of the 16. Okay, and last term negative, so we are giving the opposite, both of them opposite sign of these two factors. So 12x square, then here last term is minus 12. Now plus 16x minus 9x, plus 16x minus 9x. Okay, clear? Okay, 16 minus 9 plus 7 equal I. Okay, now common. Here 12 and here 16. Common number is 4 because 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Now 4x common. Table of the 4, 4 3s are. In x square, x is the common. And 4 4s are, x is a common, only number is remaining, right? So same bracket, 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so here minus sign, so we write here minus. Here 9, here 3. So table of the 3 3s are 9. Okay, so common of the factor 3x plus 4 and 4x minus 3 equal to 0, right? Okay, so first we giving 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, 3x equal to minus 4, 4 in right side, and x equal to minus 4 by 3. Is that clear? Next bracket second, 4x minus 3 equal to 0. 4x equal to 3. Therefore, x equal to 3 by 4. That means this two values of x is the root of this quadratic equation. Clear? Okay. Now we discuss third sum. First we multiply by these two numbers. 3 4s are 12. Right? So 12 ones are 12, 6 2s are 12 and 3 4s are 12. Here also last term is negative, so subtract of these two numbers. 12 minus 1 11, not possible. 6 minus 2 4 is possible. So these two are not possible. So here 3x square and here minus 4. Here 6 is the bigger number, so we are giving the first positive sign, 6x minus 2x. Okay, 6 minus 2 is 4. Clear? Here 6 into minus 2. Here answer is minus 12. Multiplication of these two numbers is minus 12. 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 answer is plus 4. Okay? Common, common. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, so 3x is common. X, 3 ones are 3, that is 3x. 3 twos are. And again here x plus 2, right? Here negative sign, so here we are at negative sign. 2x, x in the bracket, 2 is outside the bracket. So x plus 2 and 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now it's given 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2. Okay. And 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore 3x equal to 2. Therefore x equal to 2 by 3. So these two answers are the solution of this quadratic equation. Clear? Now this question. 2x square plus root 6x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. So first we multiply. 2 6 are 12. 12 ones are 6 2s are and 4 3s are. Right? Here 12 minus 1, 11, here last term is negative. So 12 minus 1, 11 not possible. 6 minus 2, 4 not possible. 4 minus 3, 1 not possible. But here middle term is root 6. Right? Here we are giving 1 root 6. We are calling 1 root 6. So here 6 is the here. Right? So splitting this factor. Again splitting. 6 2s are. Otherwise 2 6 are. Right? Look here. 2 6 are. Again splitting by 6. Here we write root 6 into root 6. Root 6 into root 6, 6. And 6 2s are 12. Clear? Okay. So our factor is, first factor is 2 root 6. 2 into root 6, 2 root 6. And second factor is 1 root 6. Here, this one. So 2 ones are 2, root 6 into root 6, 6. This one factor, 2 6 are 12. Clear? And 2 root 6 minus 1 root 6, 2 minus 1 is positive answer. Okay? Look here. First term is as it is. Last term also as it is. Here splitting the middle term is 2 root 6x minus 1 root 6x. Is that clear? 2 minus 1, 1. Root 6 is common. Right? X is also common. So here factor is 6 2s are. We are carefully look here. Here we are giving the middle term is root 6. Here 6 is only here. Right? So splitting this factor. So splitting this factor. Okay? This here. Okay. Now we rearrange this second step. Again rearrange. Look here. 2x square we write. We do not write 2x square. We write here root 2 into, otherwise only 2. Okay, chalo, 2x square plus 2 root 6x minus root 6x and splitting here. Here root 6 into root 6. Right? Here we write 6, but we write here root 6 into root 6 because root 6 into root 6 answer 6. Okay? Now common. This one and this one. Now 2 common, x common. So here 2 common, x square and x common, x plus root 6. Okay. So again x plus root 6. Yeah. Now minus root 6 common. Minus sign as it is. Root 6 is the common number. So our 2 factor is x plus root 6. And second factor 2x minus root 6 equal to 0. So x plus root 6 equal to 0. X equal to minus root 6. Is that clear? Is one of the solution. And second 2x minus root 6 equal to 0. So 2x equal to root 6. X equal to root 6 upon 2. This is your answer. But we again simplify. Root 6 is equal to root 3 into root 2. Root 6, that is root 3 into root 2. Root as it is, 3 2s are 6. Root 6 as it, okay? And in denominator, splitting 2, root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2, that is root 4. Root 4, square root of the 4, answer is 2. Clear? So root 2 cancel. So another solution is common root 3 by 2. Root 3 upon root 2. But we write here only one root and a root 3 by 2. Common root. Okay. So x equal to minus root 6 is one of the answer. X equal to root 3 by 2 is one of the answer. Is that clear? Okay. Now fifth sum. Root 2x square plus root 3 into 1 minus 2 root 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Right? Now first we multiply by this bracket. Open this bracket. Root 2x square as it is. Now root 3 into 1, root 3 and multiply by x. Okay? If you do not directly multiply, then first we multiply by this number. First we multiply by this number. Root 3 minus, root 3 ones are root 3. Root 3 into root 2, root 6. 2 as it is and here root 6. X as it is. Clear? Now multiply by here x. So root 2x square plus root 3x minus 2 root 6x minus 6 equal to 0. Is that clear? Okay. Now here, but we rearrange this term. Rearrange this middle term and last term. Again repeat. Root 2x square root 3x minus 2 and here root 3 into root 2. Root 6 is the root 3 into root 2. And here this one. Root 6, 6 is here. We write here 6 is root 6 into root 6. Is that clear? Okay. So here 2x square root 3x minus. Okay. Here is splitting 2. Here root 2 into root 2. Right? And here root 6 as it is. Okay. Then we write here in a 6 root 6 into root 6. Okay. Again. Now first we root 6 common. Root 2x square plus root 3x as it is. No one common. Now root 6 common. Root 6 common. So in a bracket here x. Right? Root 2 into root 2x minus root 6 equal to 0. Clear? Now common here. X is the common. So root 2x plus root 3 minus root 6 as it is. Root 2 into root 2x. Now splitting again here. Here minus sign common. So here we write here plus. Now root 6 as it is, root 2 as it is, root 2 as it is, x also as it is. Okay, now splitting here. Root 3 into root 2. Okay. Now root 2 is the common. X root 2x plus root 3 minus root 6 common, root 2 common. Okay. So here root 2x plus root 3 equal to 0. Clear? Now this is look here common factor. Root 2x plus root 3. So root 2x plus root 3 common. X minus root 6 into root 2 is the root 12. Okay. So root 2x plus root 3 equal to 0 and x minus root 12, that is 4 3s are. 4 3s are. Okay. Now giving the 0. So root 2x x equal to minus root 3. So answer x equal to minus root 3 upon root 2. You are giving also completely square root minus and whole root 3 by 2. This is your answer, final answer. Okay. So this is your one of the solution of this quadratic equation. Is that clear? Okay. Now this one here, x minus square root of 4 is 2, root 3 as it is. 4 3s are 12, square root of 4 is 2, root 3 as it is. So 2 root 3 in right side. So your next answer is x equal to 2 root 3. Clear? So this is our 2 answer. Okay. Now sixth question, 27x square minus 48 equal to 0. Right? Okay. Here not factorize because x here given x square is given but x is not given. So mostly we apply the a square minus b square equal to 0 formula. A square minus b square equal to 0. First we common this number 3 common. 3 9s are 3 16s are. Now 3 in denominator 0. So your question is 9x square minus 16 equal to 0, right? So here now apply 3x square minus 4 square equal to 0. 9x square is the square root of 3x. 16 is the square root of 4. Square of the 4. Okay. So 3x whole square is 9x square. 4 square is 60. Now apply a square minus b square. A plus b. A minus b equal to 0. Now giving the 0. So 3x plus 4 equal to 0. 3x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, same here, 3x minus 4 equal to 0, 4 in the right side, and x equal to 4 by 3. Is that clear? Okay, now exactly same question here, 7. X minus 7 whole square minus 16 equal to 0. So here x minus 7 whole square and 16 is the square of the 4. Look here, this one. So this is your A and this is your B. A square minus B square. A minus B. A plus B. So here x minus 11. Minus 7 minus 4. And minus 7 plus 4. So 7 is the bigger. Okay, so we are giving the equation 0, x minus 11 equal to 0, x equal to 11. X minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. Clear? Now question number 8. X upon 1, 1 upon x. Here mixed fraction, convert the simple fraction. 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 6. First we cross multiplication in left side. LCM is x. X into 1 x. Now cross multiplication. X into x. X square. 1 1s are 1. If here two term plus or minus any one, we direct the cross multiplication. Okay. So here 13 by 6. Now again cross multiplication. 6 is multiplied here and x is multiplied here. 6x square, 6 into x square, 6 into 1, 6 equal to 13x. Now 13x is left side. So 6x square, 13x is negative and plus 6 equal to 0. This is our question. 6x square minus 13x plus 6 equal to 0. Minus 13x plus 6 equal to 0. Now first multiply by these two numbers. 6 6 are 36. 36 1s are 18 2s are 12 3s are 9 4s are 6 6s are. Okay. Now here last term is positive. Sum of these two number is 13. Not possible, not possible, not possible, possible here. Okay. So 6x square plus 6 here minus 9x minus 4x, because last term is positive, so we are giving the same sign of these two number. Okay, now common. Which number is common? Here 3 is the common factor. 3 2s are 3 3s are. So 3x common, 3 2s are 3 3s are. Okay, clear? And same again, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Here negative sign, so negative. Here 4, 2 is in the bracket, 2 2s are 4. Multiply by these two number is given here. Okay, so 2x minus 3 and 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So here 3x equal to 2, answer is 2 by 3. And here 2x equal to 3, so answer is x equal to 3 by 2. Clear? So today in this video lecture, we are discussing quadratic equation chapter, method number 1, factorization method. Total 8 sum is completed. Okay. Thank you very much.